Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing just fine. So this video is for senior 2. The topic is Other Worlds from unit number 9. The chapter name is Frankenstein, which you can find on page number 235. So actually the extract is from a very dramatized adaptation of Frankenstein, which was originally written by author Mary Shelley in 1816. This extract is taken from a very gothic tale, which is a kind of a 19th century science fiction story in which Mary explored important issues of her time. This story is about a scientist called Victor Frankenstein who has been experimenting with electricity. So what happens is that Victor performs a task or you can say an experiment in which he tries to make dead frogs and severed human hands alive by passing electric current. So what he did was he intended to harness the electricity from lightning to give life to a dead human being, which was a fatal step further from other scientists who were doing experiments in that time. So in this story there is a monster in the beginning of an act, which is in the beginning of an act is a dead body attached to wires, and who becomes a monster later when an enormous power surge of electricity lightning is passed through the wires. So what happens is that Frankenstein's friend Clerval admires him and he is very impressed about the experiment, but then when he realizes the enormous dangers which come because of this experiment, he gets really afraid. At the opening of this story, Frankenstein's cousin Elizabeth has called unexpectedly and is really worried about the behavior of her cousin. So Elizabeth shows concern about Frankenstein's mental health to his friend Clover. He asks her why she is very upset and why she is very worried about Frankenstein, and then she tells him that she has been having really gloomy and really weird dreams about Victor, which have really disturbed her. Clerval then sees Elizabeth shivering because of the cold, and then he goes to the window to close it, and then what he sees is a sheeted figure on the bench with wires attached to it. So he comes back and he tells Elizabeth to stay at a comfortable inn which is near Victor's house, and she, just as she was ready to set off, he goes out to check in the inn, and Elizabeth is looking very anxious and she is very uncomfortable because of her surrounding. And just then, when she was uncomfortable and anxious sitting, she hears a really loud rumble of thunder. She is very startled and she goes around to look around the window, and then she sees a sheeted figure on the bench. She goes to the figure to touch it and see what happens when she pulls the sheet, and what she sees, she wants to see it, but then Frankenstein comes and he pulls her away from the bench. He tells Elizabeth not to touch there and not to stay there because it's very dangerous for her, although Elizabeth is very surprised because of her cousin's behavior. And she asks him if he is in trouble, but he just says that he isn't in any trouble and he is just in the middle of a very crucial, very important experiment which has taken him many years. He asks about her reason of arrival, and then she tells him that his father is very ill because of an affliction of the lungs, which is a disease, and she also tells him to just come home if he really cares about his father. But Frankenstein hesitates, and although he